We're back in the secret underground bunker, aka the upstairs closet. It's got food in it, amongst other things, but mostly food. And those of you who have been following along with the bouncing ball in the home game know that A, I'm done with the word prepper, so this is preparedness food. B, we have a good bit of it. C, we never stop putting food up. And D, this is so easy a child can do it. And I will continue to do this until these videos get 0 views because I want y'all to do this. So my wife just got home from the store and we have a deal every time one of us goes to the store. Always get something useful, which is easy to do when you're going to the grocery store. So she came back, and I just want to show you what she came back with, because I tell you guys all the time, every time you go to the store, just get something. But I wanted you guys to see that we also do this. We also get something. So she got, for starters, 2 packages. 1, 2 packages of ramen noodles. These are the beef flavor. These don't cost very much, and granted, they're not like A, they're not super ultra tactical because they're loud, and B, they're not very nutritious, but what they are is calories, and they are also great if you make refugee buckets. You can throw a couple packages of ramen in there, and it's something to fill the hole with very little cost, and they make a great base for a soup base or something. I like to, this is what I do. I get the chicken ones, which we have up there. Get 2 packages of that and some chicken bouillon, boil it. Get 2 heaping spoonfuls of extra chunky peanut butter. Just trust me, throw it in there. Hot sauce, like Thai chili hot sauce, throw that in there. Shredded chicken, basil, and a little bit of cilantro. And it's not Thai cuisine, but it could be, almost-ish. It's good, is what it is. So, and there are people that have have built that entire channels around how to make ramen into real food. So you can check that out too. So she got 2 packages of ramen. She got a jug of honey, pure honey. This is a 5-pound jug. And what we do and what we did was we poured a portion of it out, a half pint, into a half pint jar that lives in the cabinet downstairs. And so the rest of it is up here. Honey lasts forever. This is turkey spam for those of y'all who are like, but T, you don't eat the swines and stuff. And I'm like, I know, but there's oven roasted turkey spam right there. So if you also don't eat the swines, there are options. I'm not saying it's great, but they're awesome. They're options. They're maybe not awesome, but they're options. So 2 turkey spams she got. She got 3 more packages of this 15-bean soup. Actually, she got 4, and I left 1 downstairs because I intend to cook it again because it was really good. We just recently did a video on that, so you can go check that out. Let's see. She got... Oh my gosh, it's like one of those unboxing videos. French fried onions? I don't know. I don't know what she's going to do with those. They will go into rotation. See, we use all this stuff that's up here too. So as we use it, you know, we feed the back, pull from the front. And there you go. She got some Bush's vegetarian baked beans without any pork in them. And some more Bush's baked beans. So 2 cans of that. And then a whole mess of canned goods. This stuff's good. This shoe peg corn, steamed corn. So she got some of that. Some chili beans. There must be chili in our future. Some white chili beans. There's definitely chili in our future. Some more corn. And 4 cans of green beans. And a can of green chilies. There's definitely chili in our future. So what did she get? She got 4 cans of green beans, 2 cans of vegetarian baked beans. Those are like a pound each. Oh, 1 pound, 12 ounces. A sack of French fried onions. 3 containers of ham beans. Even though, again, we just tossed the ham seasoning. Use beef. Green chilies. 2 cans of corn. A can of chili beans. A can of white beans. Oh no, the baby! What? Oh no! You got brushes?
Tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap. Hi, 9.
Hello.
And 2 things of turkey spam. And some honey. 5 pounds of. And 2 packages. Shh, I'm talking to the internet. Shh. Super quiet. And 2 packages of ramen. I don't know what all this cost. We'll just say $20-ish.
Stop it.
And that's kind of our thing. Every time we go grocery shopping, just get $20-ish worth of preparedness food. So, as I said, I will continue to do these videos to make the point to you guys that you can eat an elephant 1 bite at a time, and you should be. And it doesn't matter what your budget is. If you just buy 1 of these a week, this is $2. You have $2, I promise you. So, with that, shalom and blessings, y'all.